we're going to talk about the two different types of bow fishing reels. There's two different types of bow fishing reels that are very popular nowadays. One being the spin cast reel. Spin cast reel, this one's made by Mossy. They make probably the strongest bow fishing reel on the market. They've been around, for the last 20 years, and they've just progressed, getting better and better and better. They mimic the same reel that everybody's used to, the old Zebco 33 style. There's nothing to it. You just take and push the button, draw the bow back, shoot, reel the fish in. It's really simple to use. The only thing is you have to remember to mash the button, which is not very hard to do. The other style of reel, which everybody's seen if they've ever watched any bow fishing, is the plastic bottle style reel that mounts on the side. We don't use those. They're great in certain places, but that's the AMS bottle style reel. And the biggest benefit to it is there's no buttons to mash. It's just a free-flowing type of reel. The downside to it is you have to use safety slides. You can't tie to the back of the arrow. So each one of them have their positives and negatives. What we always tell folks is just use whatever you feel comfortable with. And once you get used to using that, it's just, it's second nature. Like with us, you'll hear us before we shoot, you'll usually hear there's a fish, and you'll hear that button mash 2 or 3 times. It's just once it gets in your mind, that's what you're used to. But that's the two basic reels, and no matter what, just get out, shoot some fish, and have fun.